Okay. What we're doing? You know. Oh crap! I had to pause this. Okay. I'll be right back. I'm gonna pause this for a second and leave. I will unpause the short. Mm, That's my microphone. Let's fix this real quick. Oh my god. This is my first time using headphones with a microphone, though. It's weird. Okay. Pause this real quick. I gotta adjust my microphone. It's like really weird for some reason. Okay, better. No, it's unpausing. Okay. I just screamed in. I just screamed into my mic. Okay. 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 This mic is weird. Let's go over to crazy games. I need to go over here. Oh, doing this. Does it work over there? I don't know. That's my nose. Okay, that should be better. That should be better. I'm trying to figure this out. That should be better. That should be better. I'm guessing. How should we play over FPS? I'm really into FPS games, but I could not be. I'm just on crazy games. I could be Henry Stickman. Oh yeah, well, it look corny. Okay. Henry says I'm kind of screaming into my mic. Wait, you can hear me? Okay, let's do this. Okay. Henry. There's 4 versions of this. Oh, 4. There's 5 levels. Flying the complex, infiltrating the airship, escaping the prison. Let's do escaping. No. I can't speak today. Infiltrating the airship. I was gonna play Roblox today, but Roblox being stupid and won't open. And I can't really count on there for some reason. I can't figure out the verification. And must be alive. Something good. One way we consider extremely lucky. We're loading in. Oh, wait, what did I do? I'm kind of screaming like this. Here you go. I keep the eardrums out because this mic is weird. Okay, forget that. Should we ever? Is it better? Yeah, way better. I already pressed. I mean, it's like people. Okay. Let's play. Oh my gosh, that's loud. Let me turn that down a little. I'll turn this down a little. Like really a little. Play. Play. I'm sorry if you can hear it and I'm repeating it because I don't know if you can hear it. I'll check this out real quick. My man's a crim. My man, my, my man's really big on the crimes. Just like me, no one will find my arson charges. I burnt those things. I guess I got double arson charges. Okay, which one should we do? Earpiece. Let's try. I kind of want to see what earpiece does. Oh, yeah, check. This is Charles. I just screamed into my mic. Let's just not be polite. We're really polite, guys. Oh, they probably would have let you in if you had Girl Scout cookies with you. It was that sounded way too wrong. Incriminating. Ooh. DRUGS. Maybe that. This is the easy option, guys. Oh congrats. Oh, congrats. Happy Father's Day. I think he's gonna go get the milk. And he's probably gonna just go get the milk. And the strawberry milk. And the chocolate milk. I'll try glue. Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. I'm very bad at singing. Henry. Platform gravity robo helper. Charles. Oh, come on. He's probably limber enough to jump. That's a good trouble idea. Because gravity makes you down. Robo helper is tails. And you don't know how Weasels is. He's a furry. A platform will be useful. I don't know how you get in here. So I'll try Charles. Ah! Charles. Hello, Charles is here. So it's probably gonna be a platform. Oh! It teleported inside him. Okay, let's... my Wikipedia. I just scared my no reason. Gravity belt? Can you not read? So it's Robo Helper. That's a stupid thing. I don't want to be held by a furry. Furry! Not a furry! Not a furry! No! Bone melt, mind control, Gatling gun. My man looks deader. I don't know if that's not a word. That is not a word. My word is background. I don't know. Remote access maybe. Mind control. drawing another person is harder than it looks, okay? You fly a helicopter! Bone mount or molecular small axe? Come and slam or welcome to the jam. I'm not saying by pan. It's not pan, that's a concrete floor. I am picking a going to be. This is very violent. I don't. Henry! Hey! Hey! What you do? I just burped into the mouth. My breath smells like soda. Buddy! This is not good. Falcon! My man got disintegrated! I think it's gonna be my thing.